Anxiety, fear, stress, panic. Anxiety is a widespread condition that affects millions of people globally. And this video is part 1 of my series on reducing anxiety. And this one is all about what you can eat to feel better. Symptoms of anxiety vary and can include psychological and physical symptoms such as fear, tension, and excessive worry about everyday events and problems. Researchers have found that when you add certain common everyday foods to your diet, you can reduce the symptoms of anxiety. I'm going to go over a few to show you how easy it can be. It's important to note that I'm not a medical doctor or a nutritionist, yet I had chronic inflammation from a serious illness in the past, and inflammation is the cause of a lot of issues, including anxiety. By modifying my diet, I've been able to greatly reduce inflammation and discomfort that goes along with it. Let's find out how you can use food to reduce your symptoms. You caught me with the dark chocolate. It's high in tryptophan, which the body turns into mood-enhancing neurotransmitters such as serotonin for the brain or in the brain. And dark chocolate is also a good source of magnesium. And eating a diet with enough magnesium may reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. So how much dark chocolate should you actually eat? Because we know it's yummy and sometimes we can overdo it. The experts say about 1 to 3 grams is appropriate. I like this source here because it tells you exactly what you're getting, and it's also full of antioxidants. Herbal tea. It smells good and it's good for you. And it's a great replacement for soft drinks and coffee and alcoholic beverages. Certain herbs contain antioxidants that can alter levels of the stress hormone cortisol. And some contain amino acids that have anti-anxiety and calming effects. The best teas for reducing anxiety are chamomile, green, valerian root, passion flower, lemon balm, rose, lavender, and my favorite is peppermint. Find yours. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh contain probiotics and friendly bacteria that live in your GI tract and help defend against harmful pathogens and microbes. Eating more probiotics cares for your gut health and benefits the gut and brain connection. Super yummy. The fruit avocado is packed with nutrients and filled with vitamin B6 and magnesium. There's that word again. This combo helps anxiety by increasing serotonin production in the brain. It's brain food. And it's adding avocado slices to your smoothies, adding them to your salads. You get good fiber and healthy fats in your diet. Avocado. If you're grooving with this video so far and it's making sense, go ahead and like it and comment below with the phrase, "Food is medicine." Spices and herbs. Ounce per ounce, herbs and spices are extremely potent compared to other foods. There are 7 that are known for their anti-anxiety properties. The number 1 that we all know about is turmeric, but then there's cayenne and ginger and cinnamon and cloves and sage and rosemary. Adding a few carefully preserved herbs to your food can amplify the antioxidant power of your meal and make it taste so much better. Get your herbs. Chickpeas, lentils, beans, and legumes also provide antioxidants, B6, and magnesium. Those super nutrients that we've already heard about help reduce anxiety. They're protein-rich powerhouses, so try them as a swap for red meat in your sautés and your stir-fries. Spinach! You either love it or you hate it. If you don't care for it, that's okay. Any leafy green will do, such as kale, collard greens, or Swiss chard. The key is the magnesium, so make sure you get enough of that mineral to keep things in check. So let's review what we can do for a nice, easy salad. We have our greens for the base. We're gonna add in some herbs, our avocado, our garbanzo beans. We're going to add some pumpkin seeds, which are also amazing for anti-anxiety. We're going to sip on our herbal tea and take a bite of the sauerkraut before we get started on the salad. And at the end, we're going to have a bite of our dark chocolate. It doesn't get any easier than that. Do your shopping, stay calm and anxiety-free. Water. Get something nice to drink out of and then drink a lot of it. I don't have to tell you about the benefits of drinking water. You know about it. Drink it. Lots of it every day. Next week, make sure you watch my video on activities that help with anxiety and depression as I continue my series on reducing anxiety. I really enjoyed making this video for you today, and to help me continue to make good content that reaches and helps others, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I really do appreciate you. Also consider joining my Facebook community of Success Builders. And this is where I share up-to-date coaching tips to help develop personally, professionally in the areas of mindset, communication, and resilience. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and remember that I believe that you are capable of great things. Let's build success together.